Hi! In front of me is Huawei Nova 11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Display and Brightness. Following that, select Text Size and Weight, and swipe left or right on text size slider in order to adjust it. When you finished, just go back. So when I do that, as you can see, size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!